Hello and welcome back. Today, I would like to show to our Automate NC double pre-pinching plate rolling machine. This machine is a 4-roll machine which can automatically bend the edges of the sheet as well, having Automate pre-pinching option. Now, we have put the machine in auto mode as you can see, and we will press the green start button to start our automatic rolling. We have pressed the button and engaged the auto mode. The machine has started to roll in auto mode. As you can see, we are bending the JCB bucket and shovel in this machine, which is a very critical and difficult operation. This has different radius at different lengths, thus it is a very critical job. This made the client dependent on the operator when he was using a non-automatic machine. As you can see, with our automatic machine, the operation has been simplified and the client is no longer dependent on the operator. All the operations are preset in the machine and the operator has to just observe the process and check the final output. This saved time, operator dependability, human errors and improved the quality of the production. The machine has to be taught only once. Just roll one shell and machine will remember the process and repeat itself. The machine has successfully made this difficult job easily without any human intervention.